gonna get his reaction on the driving.
Yes, sir.
He already see the thing.
The cold start is pretty good, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
It's like silent when I barely step on it.
Yeah, but the little red sounds deeper.
It still has the cats.
Yeah? Stock cats?
Yeah.
That's good.
The Canon sounded better on Alejandro's because he has headers.
Oh yeah, I told you. Imagine you get test pipes. Shit. That shit gonna be sounding loud as hell.
Well, I changed it. It's a white pipe, but it's like a...
You? You have a white
yeah,
pipe?
Yeah, but it's like Mickey Mouse. I low-key feel like it's kind of faster, bro. And I think he just peed on me.
Nah. You can hear this one louder, but the other one just sounded more deeper. And it popped more.
But that was second gear.
Yeah. You're in first gear right now?
No, I'm new. So it's like a white pipe convert into like for the for the dual.
Not as much pops, huh?
Not right now. Earlier I got a good pop.
Sounds louder. But the other one just sounded more deeper. And it did more pops.
More drone.
Yeah.
Never been up here.
Sounds good. Imagine when I ship out mine.
BQ is gonna be way different.
You got a little kid breaking necks. You saw?
I'm gonna start breaking that.
The other one was already breaking necks too.
I know. But it's like when I'm on it.
But that sounds badass. I heard a little pop.
Yeah. No, I don't know if it's higher gear. I get a more higher
Pops.
pop.
Or RPM.
There was
Whoa.
one that went.
Loud.
That shit sounded nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Next video, 350Z straight pipe versus 300ZX straight pipe. Woo. That one's aggressive. It sounds more aggressive. I heard the pop, bro. I heard that shit. Bro, your cold starts are gonna be nasty. Look, you come take pictures of
Imagine
it.
tomorrow in the morning.
Woo. She's gonna sound loud as fuck.
Paige is already annoyed of me.
Oh, you hear the pops right there.
Imagine a downpipe in headers.
Imagine revving it fully. Have you tried revving it fully?
No.
Yeah, like, fuck.
Should I?
Have you tried throttling it though? I'm just waiting for a loud ass just to go pop out of nowhere.
Earlier there was one that actually
It was loud.
online. I was like,
You're like,
oh,
oh shit. The other one didn't do that, huh? They just popped a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pop, boom.
That
Yeah, that was a good pop. This shit's loud too. Shit. Imagine you flies off.
Hey, hopefully you're not watching this video. Your son is perfectly safe. Alright.
Say so.
God damn, look at that.
Oh shit!
Pop, bitch! Pop!
You want the pop song?
That's it. Just stay. Like an ages right there. Yeah, that shit. Dig it. That's decent.
Yeah, the
That's a
Sentra.
OG, bruh.
The Sentra I was trying to show you what's up.
Get a straight pipe, compa. Sounds way better.
Oh, you said a Revit?
Is it Revy?
Yeah. Woohoo! Left arm. You're gonna take a left in here.
I know.
You already got attention.
That's why I fucking.
Someone was like revving. You didn't see him?
No.
The guy in the Sentra, he's the one that said it.
We were talking about it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so close.
Like right here, just park it right here.
No. Just, I don't want to show them that I'm gonna do a donut or some shit.
No, you're not, bro.
We're gonna pull us up. Go more over there because the food like right there.
Yeah, go more in the sunlight right there. Right here's empty, son. I'm not trying to like
Why should you call it cops and shit?
wake people
Oh,
up.
I'm
Nah, they won't call the cops.
What's going on, everybody? Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Me reacting to the Straight Pipe Z with my boy Joshua. You know, we're doing some uphill and downhill clips, you know. And let's try to make, you know, Joshua consider getting a straight pipe. He was actually the person who wanted to get the straight pipe first. You know, I was kind of iffy about it. I'm not really a straight pipe type of person, but you know, I just took the chance because, you know, obviously it was free. It was just a little swap. So I was like, you know what, let's try it. Honestly, the car sounds like a VQ. That's all I'm gonna say. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll hopefully be on an upload streak. And you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Remember, I don't got friends, I got family. Yo, peace out.